We are talking about wine today and how to pronounce German wine names. It's all about understanding German wines by drinking. Hey wine friends, welcome. I'm Rita and I'm a linguist and passionate wine lover. And I'm also the founder of Pure Rita's Wine. Today we are learning German wine terms and how to pronounce them correctly. I'm going to help you with your pronunciation of the difficult and tricky German wine words or wine names so that you can sound like a wine geek in a restaurant or a liquid store. So grab a glass of wine, perhaps a German wine, take a deep breath and a good sip, and it's going to be okay. So let's dive into it. I have prepared a couple of tongue twisters for you. We start with the often misspelled and certainly most mispronounced grape. Riesling is one of the world's most valuable and culturally significant wine varieties and is appreciated by connoisseurs and amateurs alike. This white wine owes its high reputation worldwide as the queen of the grapes, above all to its vibrant and diverse aroma. Despite the characteristics of the growing region which are reflected in the bouquet, the Riesling maintains its typical acidic taste. Its longevity is also special, which makes it possible to let the Riesling mature for 5 or 10 years. Especially Riesling from Germany is appreciated all over the world because these wines have a very special character. Today, 20% of the area under wines is cultivated with this wine. The northern region with steep slopes are preferred. This is the only way the vines get enough sun and warmth in late autumn for an excellent taste, a wine like no other. This is a very exciting time for Riesling in Germany. In the past there was a predominance of sweet Riesling wines in the market, but now with changing tastes we have seen a great deal of Germany's finest wineries producing more dry Riesling. And now comes a quick German wine pronunciation exercise. So how to say Riesling? Put on your headphones, relax and listen. Riesling. Riesling. Don't say please Riesling. It's Riesling. Well done! I hope this video was a help for you. Which German wine term do you find hard to pronounce? Please let me know in a comment below. Wine lovers, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drink something tasty tonight. Prost!